अगर आप एक वेबसाइट बनाना चाहते हैं।
Hello, hello. Okay, okay. Cool, cool, cool. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Mic test. 1 2 3, 1 2 3. I'm still not sure if क्या ये चल रहा है. Actually, में give me 2 minutes. I'm still not sure if क्या ये चल रहा है. Actually, में give me 2 minutes. Oh shit. I made one mistake. Welcome back, everyone. Today we are trying to solve Leetcode. Oh, what the fuck is happening? Welcome back. Fuck, I made a grammatical mistake in the. I made one mistake. Welcome back, everyone. Today we are trying to solve Leetcode. Oh, what the fuck is happening? Welcome back. My mic capture is not very good. I have no idea why. Fuck, I made a grammatical mistake in the. Oh. Welcome back, everyone. Today we are trying to solve Leetcode. Oh, what the fuck is happening? Welcome back. My mic capture is not very good. I have. Is it better now? Let's see. Oh. Welcome back, everyone. Today we are trying to solve Leetcode. Welcome back. My mic capture is not very good. I have. Is it better now? Let's see. Oh. Welcome back, everyone. Today we are trying to solve Leetcode. Welcome back. Okay, I'm sorry. There was a. Let's go through the intro once again. Welcome back, everyone. Today we are doing bi-weekly contest 150 of Leetcode. This is a live stream where you basically watch an amateur programmer uh, who literally knows the basics. I mean, a little more than basics. Basically, an amateur programmer getting pounded by 4 new Leetcode questions. This has kind of become an everyday thing for me now. Sometimes I'm getting pounded by the daily questions of Leetcode, and today I'm getting pounded by the contest questions. Let's see, the contest begins in 5 minutes. Okay. Okay. Till then, I'll probably try to connect with some friends. See if they. Oh fuck no. Why is it opening on this side? Don't open. Don't open. Wait a minute. What? Huh. Let's see. What is happening? Yeah, I think it's well in the clear. Yeah, my stream is correctly set up. Let's see. We've got okay. We've got no one as of now. Anyways, yeah. So like, I might switch to Hindi when I'm cussing or something like that. But yeah, Leetcode contest is sponsored by Leetcode. Okay, if you're watching this for the first time, yeah, I'm actually doing it just for fun. So yeah, you really don't need to subscribe or hit the like button. Uh, let's see what questions comes in today, and if anyone by accident gets into the stream and they have an idea, do comment it. It may help me get a better rank. But yeah, don't put the entire solution. I will not probably look at it. I want to do this on my own. Uh, anyways, what's with the football today? Football live fixtures today. Who's playing against who? Okay, 2.5 minutes, and then we start with the first question. I did the last two contests I gave was the thing like 2 weeks back, and in those two contests I was able to solve the first question. That was it. That was literally it. And just oh wait, what? Okay. Anyways, oh, this is turning out to be a bit boring. अरे बहनचोद. The thumbnail. I actually like the thumbnail. मेरे को तो thumbnail काफी I really like the thumbnail. I like the thumbnail. तो अगर और किसी को भी लगता है तो प्लीज बताना. ये बहनचोद आ क्यों नहीं रहा आजकल. कुछ कहाँ रह गया. एक तो आता है. एक तो आता है बेरोजगार आदमी. आजा भाई एक क्यूइंग तो है. Ah, we'll try to give some time to question number two, but if I'm not able to solve it, I'll just go and have dinner. I'll probably play FIFA or play Counter Strike. I don't know. Uh, Biweekly 150. Oh, fuck, would I want to go random? Check out what it feels like to work on leech code. I don't. Let's check it out. Nah, actually, I don't. Okay, the first contest is starting. Let's. Hopefully, we solve the first one really quick. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Some of good numbers. Okay. Ha. So very first, I'll try to explain the question as well. If I'm able, what the fuck is wrong with my internet? Okay. Given an array, yeah. Given an integer num and an element that strictly greater than indices I minus k and I plus k if those indices are zero. If neither of these indices, num is still considered good. Okay. So let's take the first test case. Okay. क्या पहला test case? Okay. Our nums is 1, 3, 2. I'm doing the dry runs on my iPad. बाद में like I'll try to later on try to make it somehow like you can even see my dry runs on one part of the screen. And k is equal to 2 है तो output है. Oh, I need to, so basically I need to get this code elements. So wait, if one is, if the num of I is considered, if it is strictly greater, right? So greater than I minus j and I minus k, right? So so basically I की वैल्यू जब जीरो है So I plus k is equal to 2 and I minus k is equal to uh, 0 minus 2 is minus 2. So 1 is greater than equal to 2? No. So 1 is not a great number. 3 is greater than 1. Yes, so 3 is a good number. And then you've got 2. So 2 is not greater than 5. So 2 is not a good number. And then you have 1. 1 is not better than 4. So it's not a good number. And then you have 5. 5 is greater than 3 and like the forward index is not there, so it's a good number. And 4, the forward index is not present, but the backward index it's greater than 1. So 5 plus 4 plus 1. Okay, it's a pretty easy one, I guess. Hopefully it should work in the first go. I'll try to take care of the test cases as well, if there are like any edge cases, but I hope they're not. Okay, sum of good numbers. Given an array. Okay, right. So we've got nums. Okay, right. So let's for index comma num and enumerate nums. Right. Okay. Now we're looping over the. Let's write the comments as well. Loop over the nums array. Uh, it's strictly greater than, right? I minus k, you've got k. So indexes are I. You know what? Let's just take it I. ठीक है. Nums of I is considered good if it is strictly greater than the elements. This is this. Okay. Just hold on a second. Fuck, I need to solve this quickly to get a better rank. But I need to do some other things as well. Which is this. I minus k. Basically, if first of all just check now. If first of all you need to check if I minus k is greater than 0 and I plus k is less than ln of nums. Okay. Okay. Actually, you know what? We'll do it one by one so that if I minus k is greater than 0, right? So you can check the lower index. Uh, I'm trying to do it in as minimum, but I want to write minimum code as much as possible. If I minus k is greater than 0, so yes, the index exists, and wait, not less than 0. See, if I minus k is less than 0, I plus k should be greater than 0. That's a fact, right? No, if it's like a 1 array and k is 2, then there is no point. And also, obviously, we'll take another sum. We don't want to take index. If I minus k, if I minus k, that's not true. If I minus k is less than 0, what happens if I minus k is less than 0? Then we want to say that it is good. Oh, actually, you know what? You do this way. Before index is equal to I minus k, if I minus k is greater than 0, else what are the constraints? Numbers are from 1 to 1000, right? Okay, that's fine. before index val is equal to nums of I minus k if I minus k is greater than 0, actually greater than equal to 0, else it should be equal to 0. Else we'll basically make the value 0 because the constraints are 1 to 1000. So even if we put 0, then that's the minimum value. Okay. Now after index, the same thing. After index val is equal to nums of I plus k if I plus k is less than the length of nums, else 0, right? And now just need to compare if nums of I is strictly greater than, right? Is strictly greater than, yeah. Nums of I is greater than before index val, yeah, and nums of I is greater than after index val, sum is equal to sum plus nums of I. You break from the loop and you return the sum. Okay, let's do a quick try run. Right. Okay. So you have we'll do it on the second one. 2 comma 1, right? 2 comma 1, and the k is 1, right? So 0 minus 1 is minus 1, that does not exist, now greater than equal to 0, so else is 0. So 2 is greater than 0, true, and 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 is greater, sorry, 2 is greater than 1, true. So sum is equal to 0 plus 2, sum is 2, and then you've got 1, right? So 1 minus the first index minus 1, so 1 is greater than 0, nope. So yeah, else you don't need to do anything, yeah. So it won't count as a sum. The loop breaks and we return to is output to yes. Okay, I try to run this to check if there are any syntax errors. Oh, it's not available. Let's see. Oh yeah, okay. What done with the first one? Let's go to the second question. I I did it, right? Yeah, I did it. Oh, 2D arrays. I have no idea how to do 2D arrays. I'll also check the. I try to check who am I actually. Bi-weekly contest. Not 149. If you want to go to 150, I want to see the standings. Who's on the rank? He solved all the questions. Okay, you're given a 2D integer array squares. Each square of I is okay. So it's a list of lists. Coordinates of the bottom left corner, side length of square parallel to x-axis. Oh, it's gonna take me half an hour to understand. Find the minimum y coordinate value of the horizontal lines as there a total area of the squares uh, above the line equals the total. Okay, geez. Answer within 10 to the 5 of the actual answer will be accepted. Okay. Squares may overlap. Overlapping areas must be counted multiple times. What the actual fuck is this? Okay, so I need to give a precision output. Uh, we have got a watching of 3. I am surprised actually. That's one is Kush Goel, one is my friend. Who are the other two? Are they also my friends or are they random people? 4 watching. Oh my god. Nice. Uh, you're given to. Leetcode won't ban me for this, right? That I'm streaming. You're given a 2D integer array squares. Each square of I is x, y, I, and li, right? Okay. Uh, Squares of I is equal to xi, yi, li. Coordinates of the bottom left point, the side length of a square. Bottom, what the fuck is the bottom left point? Okay, so I think, okay, so x and y are the coordinates of the point. So bottom left point. Suppose it is 001 comma 1 and the side length of a square parallel to x axis. So the first coordinate is 0 comma 0. If you take a 3D plane, it's on 0 comma 0, and the length is 1, so it will go to 0 comma 1. This is parallel to, it's not actually parallel, it's overlapping to parallel anyway. The one, so it's the bottom. Okay, so now to construct a square, the coordinates will be uh, 1 comma 0 and 1 comma 1, right? Equal size. Now the second coordinate is 2 2 1. So you've got 0 1 2, right? 0 1 2, 2 should be somewhere over here. 0 comma 2 comma 2 actually. 2 comma 2 is over here. And it's such question. It might ban, but you ain't popular, so it should. Thanks. 2 comma 2 कोऑर्डिनेट आ गया. 2 comma 2 पे साइड लेंथ है 1. ओके, सो इसके कोऑर्डिनेट्स कैसे आएंगे मेरे पास? 2 comma 2 में आ जाएगा एक एक्स्ट्रा बढ़ेगा 3 comma 2, एक y पे बढ़ेगा 3 comma 2 के इधर क्या आ जाएगा? एक तो हो जाएगा 3 comma 2 हो जाएगा, एक 2 comma 3 हो जाएगा, और एक बढ़ेगा मेरा 3 comma 3. ठीक है, अब बताना क्या है इसमें? Find the minimum y coordinate value of the horizontal line so the total area of the square above the line equals the total area of the squares below the line. क्या है ये? y equal to 1 पे भाई ने काटा है, मतलब 1 square unit above it and 1 square unit below it. अरे भाई साहब, this is a tough question honestly. इन्होंने तो फाड़ दी भाई. ये क्या क्वेश्चन होता है भाई? 0 0 2, तो दो दो का पूरा हो गया. इसका 1 1 है, 1 1 इधर आ गया, 1 1 1. और हमें ऐसा उसमें करना है कि भाई गॉड सेम एरिया आ जाए ऊपर और नीचे. भैंस की आँख. टॉपिक क्या है ये? Separate squares one. Okay, well let's check the second one. It separates squares too, I think. Fuck. Shortest matching substring. I'm incapable of doing hard questions, so let's leave it at that. Okay. Hmm. Okay, let's try to. Okay. We've got a lot of time. ठीक है. Since third and the fourth question are hard, we can actually spend all of our time doing this question. Uh, Honestly, in my mind, I don't think there's any data structure that I can use. If you guys think that there is, then obviously do tell me. Uh, but I think it's a pretty math-based question. So what we need to figure out is, first of all, if there are separate squares, right? That's y equal to 1. Okay, so we need to find the minimum value, right? Where I can split it. Okay. Now how come this is 1.66, right? Is 1.66 1.66? Okay, overlapping area should be counted multiple times. Okay, fuck. Okay, so if I take case number 2, so in this case, what is happening is the area is the total area basically. How can I count this actually? And what are the constraints first of all? I need to do it in optimized approach. It definitely can't be O n square. Hmm. Okay, so what I get it from this one is 002 and 003, right? So 002 cross 2 is 4. 4 plus 1. 4 and this one is 1, right? So now the total area has become 4 plus 1. It's 5, the total area. Now, oh fuck, how do I... इसको डिवाइड करने का क्या तरीका होगा यार? कुछ तो होगा, कुछ तो होगा. लिस्ट का कुछ लॉजिक नहीं है, ट्रीज भी नहीं है, स्टैक्स ट्रीज भी नहीं है. I need to find a way to divide it. Okay, the y coordinate, right? If I take a square, okay, my watching is going from 4 to 1 and then 1 to 4. 1 to, oh my god, 5. Highest amount of. Who are these 5 people? Now it's 3. What the fuck? Are they coming here to watch my solution? Stream snipers. Uh, मैं क्या? Why? अबे ऐसे question कौन डालता है यार? Why would they put such questions? Why? They shouldn't. अरे बहन की. Hmm. Whoa, what the actual fuck? Help me then, Mr. Kush Goyal. One point one six six, right? 2 minus 1.666. How is it finding the total area? That's the question. That is the question. It's a math-based question, bro. 8,000. Currently 8,143. So who the fuck are these people? Damn. Anyways, let's leave it at that. Okay. 7 watching. Oh my god. That's a lot of followers. That's a lot of watching. Subscribe if you want to. Like if you want to. I'm about to rage out. Don't worry. क्या करूँ यार? कैसे कोई क्यों भाई? ऐसे क्या डालना होता है? डीपी सीख के आओ, डीपी नहीं पूछेंगे. 7 by 6 into 2 times red. How? I need to formulate this thing. Why कुछ तो formula बनेगा यार. There must be some sort of formula that I can make. 4 plus 1. The total area is 5. Right. Why is it doing twice of red? 7 by 6 into twice of red plus 1 by 6 into blue. 5 by 6 into twice of red and a 5 by 6 into blue. What? What is 7 by 6 first of all? 0 point, 1.110. 1.1. And then you got 4. Yeah, 1.6667, right? That is true. But 7 by 6 plus 5 by 6? 12 by 6 to. Okay, 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 okay. 5 by 6 into twice of red. 2 times red. How can I figure out if any one of you has, a possible method of knowing how can I figure out, how can I actually save the area? That's the main question. It says if overlapping area should be counted multiple times, right? So this is counted twice. That is why y is equal to 1.1667, right? Hmm. Mm, Still trying to understand this shit. Uh, think. Can I make a square from the bottom coordinate? Yes, it's very easy. So when you have the bottom coordinate and you have the length, right? So the top left coordinate would be uh, the x coordinate plus 1 comma the y coordinate. the bottom right coordinate would be, just x coordinate plus y coordinate plus 1, y coordinate plus length. Okay, and the top right coordinate, now this would be, I can use, no, Pythagoras theorem is useless. We can just do one, this is basically length plus x comma y of the top left, it's 2 comma 2, right? Now when you have this area, the area of the circle will be 4, and then inside this apparently you have one more thing. Now the area of this is 1, so the total area enclosed in this figure is 5 square units, right? Now the challenge is we want to divide it in such a way that the area above and below the line is equal. Okay. Now, if the area, if it's not overlapping, then it's very fine. Then you just basically, if the squares. So I've understood one thing. If basically, if there are two squares, uh, if by chance they have the same area, you just return the uh, maximum, basically the top y coordinate of the circle which is below. Okay, that will be the line that because you have to return the minimum coordinate of y. That's the first case. Now what if the second case would be that these overlapping, the non-overlapping circle, the squares, they are, what do you say, at, I'll try to submit at least some test cases. I'll get some points for that, or like my ranking will definitely go up. If the squares are of different area, right, then basically you need to divide it in such a way that suppose you have a square of side 2 and below you have a square of side 1, right? 1 1 2 2, this is the area of 1. So now wait, total area is 1 plus 2 by 2 which is equal to 3. Okay, so one more pattern is in case of a bigger and smaller square, the y line will always go through the bigger circle, bigger square. Okay, that's another one. So the area should be 1 plus 2 by 2 which is equal to 3. Okay, so now you have the minimum, sorry, 1.5. So now you have the minimum area is 1, you've gotten 1, so you need to divide it such a way that the area here is 0.5, right? If for 0.5, how can I, so 2 into what that the area is, what would be the breadth for 0.5? 1 by 4. So basically 2 into, the length will always be the same, the breadth, okay, 2 into breadth is equal to 0.5 is 1 by 2, so breadth should be equal to 1 by 4. That means, so if breadth is 1 by 4, then the lower x coordinate basically the origin coordinate x plus b, that would be the answer. This would be the y coordinate. Okay, x. Okay, now let's come to the overlapping square. Overlapping square, about an hour, that's fine. Got overlapping square like this. We have open this square like this, right? The color inside this would be somewhat like this, right? This, Hmm. How do I find the concentrated area? If I assume, let's say, it's a different square, right? So I think I need to make a formula for this one. Ah. Sorry, I was just missing a pen. What the fuck? हाँ, separate squares. कैसे होगा यार ये वाला स्क्वायर को सेपरेट कैसे कर रहा हूँ मैं तो यही समझ नहीं आ रहा क्यों अगर ये स्क्वायर इधर है राइट अगर स्क्वायर इधर आ गया चल मान लेते हैं एक फॉर्मूला भी तो मिल जाए ना ऊपर नीचे का तो चलो देख लेंगे अब भाई वो मिडिल में लाया करे तो और दिमाग खराब स्टफ unable to get a okay let's write something we'll actually get something out of it okay let's write a code that can at least run one test case okay find the coordinates okay let's first find the coordinates the coordinates would be if you're given 0 comma 0 right first square uh, for in actually the square and squares right x comma y comma l is equal to square x comma y comma l square and mm, top left x plus l comma y bottom right is equal to x comma oh wait x plus l comma y top would be x comma y plus l and top right would be x plus l comma y plus l right so this way you can find the coordinates of all the area is equal to l cross l cross l is equal to top left, actually, so y, comma bottom, so that's bottom left, bottom right, top left, top right, area is equal to ultra cell, let's call it A, area of append A, and the coordinates and the area of the square. Okay. Now, first of all, if should we keep this in separate? Would be better, honestly. How many squares can be there? Squares, okay, there are many squares, right? Oh, there can be many squares. Shit. There can be many squares. I was thinking there were only two squares. But there can be many squares. This changes the entire thing. Wait. If I take a prefix sum of the area, even if there are separated, the squares are separated, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then like 2, 4, 1, 8, suppose like that, 6, 7, 7 plus 8 is 15, 15 divided by 2 is 7.5, right? So that's way 2, 6, 7 and 15, 7.5, 6. Yeah, I'm unable to solve this one. I don't think I'll be able to solve this one because I'm out of ideas, honestly. Oh my god, this is really fucked up. Two, four, one, seven, right? That's 2, 6, 7, and 7 and 8 is 15. 15 divided by 2 because ऊपर और नीचे का एरिया सेम करना है, so divide by 2 would be uh, Jesus Christ. I was hoping they would ask like a basic dynamic question, but fuck these bastards. Ah, I've done some test cases. some people have solved the second question. Crazy people, dude. 9,000. Oh my god. 90 is really bad actually. Uh, I actually can't think of any idea. I think I'm gonna stop the stream. I, yeah, I can't really think of any ideas as to how can I solve this. Can anyone, if you have any ideas, uh, do let me know. Should I try to ask Chat GPT? No. I'm hungry as well. Uh, yeah, I'm sorry, I can't think of any idea. I've been at this for problem for the past 40 minutes. I can't think of anything. Answers within 10 to the power minus 5. The actual answer will be accepted. Oh my god. Crazy. Wait, so not counting it again is a tougher one. Damn. Anyways, that is it for today. Yeah, that's it for today. I'll be ending the stream now. Thank you so much for joining with me. I'll see you tomorrow or the day after because I've got one more contest tomorrow. Let's try this one. You're given a string S and a pattern P, where P contains there two star characters. Matches sequence. Return the length of the shortest substring that matches P if there is no contiguous sequence of characters within a string. The empty substring is considered valid. Wow. Abaja badaba. Okay, P is this B A C. Wait, star how many? Star is zero or more characters. So B A star C E B A E C. eh? Oh, wait, what is the B A E C E V C E? Okay, I wish I could use SQL for this. This would be so easy. It's just, oh, we don't have an SQL. What are the constraints? Let's try this one. This probably I'll not be able to see it, but A B A A C B A E C E B C E. So you'll basically break the string and you'll try to match if there's a pattern of BA followed by C and then oh my god, is the minimum one. Ah fuck. That's why it's hard. Otherwise this would have also be true like this thing. B A C star is B A E C E. But this one is the shortest one I think. Is the 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Yeah, that's the thing. Sliding window could do the trick. If you take a window of A, no, and then BA, and then BA matches with this one, right? And then you need to see if there's a C and a CE in this string, right? How can I make this a string? When you go to the next BA, the very first is you do this until you don't find BA in the string, right? Yeah. break the string. I'll have to chat GPT the how to break a string. I have no idea how to do that. Uh, Split. Okay. 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 Parts is equal to p dot split. P dot split to star. We'll first separate the p string to see the fixed characters first of all. Now it is obvious that the section needs to start with parts of 0. Uh, okay, now we know this. Okay, come on. Okay, sorry. Yes, we're back again. Uh, while parts of 0 in S, एक copy बना लेते हैं. S copy is equal to S. Okay, copy. Right. Now you don't need to do a try and catch because path 0 exists, otherwise the loop will break. Right. Min length, let's call it float. I don't know for now. Right. Parts of 0. Okay. Okay. So what was the index? What was an index? Yeah. Yes. Index for parts of 0. Right. So index would be equal to s copy dot find parts of 0. Now the tricky part is uh, index to index plus len of. Sure, right? Suppose the length of v is 2, right? 0, 1, 1, 2. It's still 2, right? So 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 length of nums. It will be like this. Index comma. Where 1, 1 plus 2 is 3 and this is not included. Right? It's common sense. The square bracket means included, the circular bracket means excluded. So suppose index is 1, right? Because b is found here at index 1. So now if you do 1 plus length of not nums, this is parts of 0, right? If you do this, the length of part is 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So from index 1 till index 3, which is not included. So that's index 1 comma 2, right? Now you want to find a c after this. Okay. After this index, you would want to find a C. Uh, if parts of 1 in and then you slide it. If parts of 1 in s of copy from index plus len of part 0. Honestly, now here's you know what, we can do one more thing. We will not take it. Scrolling. Just a second. I think my dinner is ready. Okay, anyways, so what I was thinking was कि ये यहाँ से it will start from this index, right? But now the part is that we don't need to take it till the end of the length, because at the end, if it needs to be good, then the last two characters, actually, you know what, it's just me, and even I don't think it makes sense. uh, 0 से लेके end तक. I'm not on this. Current length will be equal to no, I can't do that. If current length is equal to, what happens to the current length? Probably it definitely won't work because the time complexity is very high. I'm doing if parts is in this string and then I'm doing it thrice. So every time it loops through the entire string, that's O and Q. That's not the best way, I think. Uh, can I do that? Can I make a hash map? Yeah, I could do a hash map. Anyways, current length would be equal to minimum of min length. Sorry, current length would be equal to s copy from index till the end of parts 2. So that would be, this is part 1, yeah. Okay. Parts 2. Do I know the index of part 2? I need to calculate it. Index of 3. Index of 3 is equal to, what will be the index of 3? Index of 3 would be equal to let's copy dot finds parts of, oh, ah, made a mistake. We need to make a loop out of it. We need to do it in an iterative way because there's no guarantee that there's always going to be 3. It can be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See this? Ay, yaar, I fucked up real bad. Okay. Actually, just comment it out. And for part and parts, I comma part and enumerate parts. This is a good approach. Not क्या बी है बी रखा है आई की वैल्यू हो गई लेना पार्ट्स माइनस वन की हो गई तो मतलब क्या है तो पार्ट अगर है और आई की लेंथ ही वही है तो उस पार्ट को भी तो गिनो ना ओ फक मी यार मैं क्या बकेंगे दिमाग चलना आए my brain is not braining uh, uh, I can do this question but I don't have the motivation uh, excuse me I equals length of parts minus 1 I equals to length of parts minus 1 yes मतलब फाइनल आ चुका है हमारे पास and it is in that part so you basically curl n would be equals to the length of बोले तो I'll just remove this one curl length is equal to length of length of s copy from index till yeah we can do this if I equal to 1 and elif actually delete this one I equal to 1 do something elif I is not equal to 1 कहाँ आ गया भाई ये क्या पागल हो गया क्या कोड elif I is not equal to 1 but dot is still in the copy do something do part in his copy index plus length of parts of I minus 1 तो मैं I really don't know what am I doing right now. ठीक है, दोनों केस में सेम ही चीज कर रहा हूँ. अच्छा नहीं, उसका कंडीशन चेंज है बस. ठीक है. पार्ट ही वाकई हो तो else मिला ही नहीं पार्ट. ब्लैक वर्ड 0. अबे I equal to len of parts minus 1 and part in this, right? भाई सारे कोड चल कैसे रहा है मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा. No idea how this code is running out. Parts I कैसा आ रहा है? Parts I तो अरे यार. Okay, I am done with this part now. So what is this doing? If I is equal to n, part in s copy index plus length parts of I minus 1. ठीक है, index new is equal to s copy but find parts of I. And if I equal to length of parts minus 1 and part in s copy index new plus length of parts of I minus 1, index new is equal to s copy of find parts of I. Okay. Ah, my god. Can't do this shit. Can't do this shit. Honestly, can't do this shit. I'm confused with my own approach, honestly. Should I submit it? No. What am I saying? Code भी पूरा ही लिखा है यार. LF I equal to length parts of minus 1. हाँ. What if it's the case the part हो ही ना? Else what if part is not there? I got it. I got it. What I wanted to do. Right. So len is equal to len of s copy from index till index new plus len of parts of minus 1 and len is equal to minimum of what is minimum length? Minimum of min length comma length. ठीक है. Else ये case, this is the case when part is not present in the string. If part is not present in the string, there is no point actually. You know, to go ahead. Because suppose BAC, if the C is not present in the entire string, right? If any of the part is not present in the entire string, then you can just break. You can just do flag equal to 0 and break out of this loop. And what do I return if it's not, what do I return if there's no, is there a case? Return -1. Okay, I will return -1. Break and if not if flag equal to 0 and return -1. That's why I use the flag. Part of the flag is done, and then what I'll do is, because now the loop will be over, so while parts 0 and s, and I think I'll need to break out of here as well. If not flag, not flag, break. Actually, you know what? Yeah, let's do that. No, it's not working. I still see many faults in this code, execution wise. It's not flag break. There was one more thing, yeah. There is one fucking more thing. Parts of zero in S कैसे है यार? S का copy S है. Alright, I'm ending the stream. I'm unable to solve this question. I will see you probably tomorrow, or I don't know, whenever the next contest happens. Cheers. Bye bye. Thank you for joining.